Okay, for breakfast today, I am having scrambled eggs and 2 pieces of the Aunt Millie's toast. The Aunt Millie's toast is going to be 2 slices, 2 points, and I didn't put anything on my eggs, so my eggs are just nice, fluffy, whipped eggs that I just kind of really scrambled, really scrambled them. And those are 0 points. So my whole breakfast is 2 SmartPoints. Now, the only thing that you didn't see today was my coffee, and I'm counting 1 SmartPoint for my coffee. So today's totals, 3 SmartPoints so far today. Almost forgot, I did mix up a 16-ounce bottle of water with this Mio flavoring. And the Mio flavoring just has vitamins in it, B3, B6, B12. I really would rather have had my Ting, but I'm out of that right now, so this is going to have to do. But it's an easy way for me to get down a 16-ounce bottle of water first thing in the morning, so I'm going to have that with my eggs. Okay, time for a snack. I cut up 1 large Fuji apple, and then I mixed up 2 tablespoons of some powdered PB2. So my snack today will be 1 SmartPoint. Okay, so now it's lunchtime. I went ahead and mixed up another bottle of water with some Hawaiian Punch grape, little flavor packets, just those ones you buy at the store. They're just, those little packet thingies. And then I'm having today buffalo chicken pasta. And my pasta is 0. The actual pasta itself is 0 on the purple plan. And the buffalo chicken mixture, the chicken cheesy mixture there, is going to be 3 points. So with my buffalo chicken recipe, my buffalo chicken dip, and I talk about this one all the time, it is 1/3 cup for 1 point, but since I used 2/3 of a cup, it jumped up to 3. So WW math did come into play for this one. And I was able to throw this together quickly because I had already had the buffalo chicken dip in my fridge, and I had lots left over from my my camping weekend. And I've told you before that if you're making pasta, just go ahead and make extra. So I just went ahead and made extra pasta so that I would have that. And now I have the opportunity to just mix together my lunch really, just really super quick because I already had the pasta done. So I just had to throw it together, heat it in the microwave, bam, done. So it's just an easy way to get a low point lunch in, or just a yummy lunch in. Not even the fact that it's low point, but here's one good look at it. It's so good. All right, I'm gonna eat this while it's hot. So that brings me to 6 points so far today. So my lunch here is 3 SmartPoints. All right, I'll be back and show you what I'm having for my afternoon snack. Okay, sitting in my car waiting for my hair appointment. So I think I'm gonna snack on this little WW 2-point snack. I do have a big thing of ice water here just to kind of stay hydrated. I have gotten down 3 16-ounce bottles of water. So what does that make me? 32, 42, 48. I keep telling you guys math is not my strong suit. So I have my ranch snacks here. I'm gonna go in and get a little fall hair action going, and maybe I'll show you. I'll come online and I'll show you what my hair looks like when I'm done and when I get out of here. So stay tuned for that. I have not had dinner yet. Not sure what I'm going to have for dinner. I do have some different ideas at home. I did make some fresh marinara sauce. So I may go ahead and just have some, I know pasta twice in one day, it's probably not a great thing, but that might be my dinner. So let's see how I feel once I get done with my hair. So hold on, I'll turn you around. So this is my hair before, super blonde, just like I always am in the summer. So I'm gonna head in here and maybe get something a little different. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so for dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and have a chicken wrap, and I had leftover chicken from our camping trip, and it has the Nashville hot seasoning in it. Was not cooked in any grease or oil or anything, so super good and 0 points. I have an Ole Extreme wrap here. I have 1 slice of this Velveeta cheese. So 1 point for the wrap, 1 point for the cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the chicken on here. Get that all layered in. Next thing I'm going to do is, I'm just going to use the same plate. I'm going to put on some pickle. I had a half a pickle left over from Jimmy John's, so I figured I would just use up that. Plus, I didn't feel like digging through my fridge to find my other ones, so this will be perfect. So I'm going to pop that on here. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of this light mayo. So I'm going to get a measuring spoon real quick for that. Don't see one, so I'm just going to grab a teaspoon and use that for today. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to eyeball a tablespoon. That should be good. Let's go ahead and spread that out here. That'll be plenty. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up here. I'm going to go ahead and serve that with my other piece of pickle here and throw my veggie snaps on the side. I do have some of my water left. I was drinking that while I was at the hair salon, and I also have my lemonade that I mixed up earlier. So that is going to be my dinner. I'm ending the day at 13 SmartPoints. So there you go, and I will put some pictures in from the hair salon so that you'll see those in there today. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy dinner. I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. And we will see you next video. Have a great day.